Hello, this is a screencast of the Ambiguous Larks resource map. This is something we did for the Greater Gwinnett Reentry Alliance. This is already live on an Azure server, so you can simply go to it by typing in this URL. On the right you see a Google map, and on the left you see our resources that we've filtered into these categories. We place a pin on the map for every organization that's already over here. When you open a category, only the pins and the open categories appear. You can click on an individual resource and it will zoom into it and place an info bubble to help you see exactly what you're looking at. These website links are live now. Take you to wherever you have told it to. And clicking on the address takes you over to Google Maps so you can quickly find directions to the resource. When you go back, it keeps the pins and the open categories just as you left them. You can open them all up. We made it where you could click on the category and the up and down arrow to make them easy to click on, and added underlined links to these to try and make it clear that our user could click on these. Okay, so all of these are generated from a database. We access that database from a RESTful API. We can update the database through a web interface. First, we'll go to the base website here. We'll go ahead and log out so I can show you that we need to log in to get to the web interface. So I have my password and credentials saved here. I'll log in. Notice that resource management appears. It has categories and providers. So I can go to a category and look through some of these. There should be about 11. Can delete them. We can search them. And we can create a new one. And that will appear immediately in this list, but notice that it doesn't actually appear over here because there are no organizations or resources in that category yet. So now we'll go to providers. We have about 9 or 10 providers already in here. We can delete or edit or add a new one. I'll go ahead and add a new one. Notice that the testing category I just created is already here, and I should be able to auto-populate this data. This is the Gwinnett Historic Courthouse. Everything looks good, so we'll create it. It appears in our list. Gwinnett Historic Courthouse, it's definitely in there, so I should be able to refresh this page. Notice that our new category appears. Gwinnett Courthouse is now here. It has a link to a dummy website I created into a dummy email, but will take you to the live address. So what we've hoped to achieve is give our client something he can show his public, something that will help them easily locate and navigate to different resources that are part of the GGRA, and make it really easy to update these from this web interface that requires credentials. Thank you for watching.